Hello again, everybody. Coming to you from my daughter's house. I thought I would do another review with you all today, a food review. And where we live, we don't have Crumbl Cookies. I know a lot of people like Crumbl Cookies, and I'm not a huge fan of cookies, not a huge Crumbl fan, to be honest. But I thought I'd give it a try. And I've done the little bites, and I'll show you. I'll get a plate out and show you so you can see them good. I think that was Chad's water. I can't tell. Okay, the first one we're going to do, let me see here what I got. I got churro, French toast, dirt cup, chocolate chip, lemon raspberry, and Reese cup. Reese cup and chocolate chip I think will be my favorite too. So let's do the churro first. This is the cookie bites. This is not the full size. This is just the smaller ones. Okay. I'm just going to cut it in fourths so we can all share. Smells like a churro. I do like churros, especially the crunchy part, a little bit of cinnamon, and when you eat them, that's what it looks like. Let's try it. That's good. That's really good. That's delicious. Okay. That was really good, surprisingly. This is French toast. And I love French toast. So, oh my God. That is literally hard as a rock. Yeah, that's hard. Okay. Smells funny. And it was hard as a rock. But maybe it's supposed to be that way. So let's try it. French toast. It's okay. It's not bad. It's not great. Would I order it again? No. Definitely would order the churro. I think it's really good. Shockingly by that. This is the dirt cup. I'm not a dirt cup gummy worm person. So I'm going to take the worm off. Cut it in fourths. So basically, it smells like chocolate, really fudgy, chocolate cake, chocolate icing, really dark chocolate. So this is called dirt cup, I think is what it said. Let's try it. It's good. I'll tell you the truth though. Hold on a minute. I gotta mute the TV. I'll be honest with you. I think the icing tastes like canned icing that you would buy in a can. But it actually is really good. That's good. I like the chocolate. I wouldn't. I don't know if I'd order it again because of the cost. But I like it. I do. Okay. The next is lemon raspberry, I think white chocolate. Okay. It's got like a creamy cheese with raspberry or white Chocolate on the top. Oh, it smells really lemony, which I think I'll like. The cake looks, or cookie appears to be lemon flavored. Let's try it. That's good. That's really good. The cake is lemony flavor. The icing has a little bit of lemon plus that raspberry. It's good. I like it. I don't think I'd order it again, but I do like it. Okay. All right. Now, a chocolate chip cookie. I'll tell you my favorite chocolate chip cookies. One is the recipe on the back of the Toll House chocolate chips. Take my word for it. Make it like it says. They're amazing. My other one is a package mix from Pampered Chef. They're gluten-free. They're amazing, but they've discontinued them for now. I did not find out about them until they discontinued them within a month, probably, of me finding out. Very disappointing because they were amazing. So be on the lookout for them because they usually do bring it back. My sister-in-law that's a director told me. Okay, let me try a bite. Just a chocolate chip cookie. Let's see how it rates up there. It's very hard. Not crazy about that. I like my cookies to be chewy, soft, and gooey. That was hard. I definitely would not order these again. The chocolate chip. Honestly, almost tastes like one of those Chips Ahoy cookies in the package. Being honest. Okay, this is the one I was excited for. Is the brownie Reese Cup cookie. I love brownies. I love Reese Cups. Favorite dessert probably is a brownie. Reese Cup favorite candy bar. My Ghirardelli brownies are my absolute favorite. Don't get them that often. Don't make them that often because I will eat them. But let's try this. Okay. Smells very chocolatey and peanut buttery. Looks like the brownie on the bottom. Peanut butter icing with some Reese Cup on top. Let's try it. I like that peanut butter icing. Just a minute. I'm making a video. I'll be right there. I like it. I would eat it. I wouldn't order it again. I would eat it, but I wouldn't go there to order that one. So I'm going to tell you, my absolute favorite out of these 6 is the churro. Then probably the peanut butter. Then probably, I didn't care for a lot of them. Honestly, the churro's the only one I would go in there for. Sorry, I know that sounds disappointing. Look at this. It's very soft. I think it's fresh, and I don't think the other ones I felt like were fresh. I'm sorry. That chocolate chip was hard as a rock, and so was the French toast. The chocolate dirt one was good, but basic. The lemon raspberry was good, but nothing to write home about. The peanut butter brownie, good, but nothing crazy. These prices are expensive. These were, I think, $16 for 6 of the bite size, they call it. And, yeah. So, let's try another bite of this. I want to finish off with this churro. That tastes like something I've eaten. Oh my God. Cinnamon roll. That's what it tastes like, a cinnamon roll. That icing that tastes like a cinnamon roll. That's my favorite one. But I'll tell you, I'll be honest, I'm not a Crumbl cookie fan. And especially not for the price. They're ridiculous. You can go on Pinterest or Google and find Crumbl cookie copycats if there's one you like. I wasn't impressed. I wanted to do a review for you all, but I'm hard to please. That's why Chad has such a big head, because he knows he is the cat's pajamas. But anyway, I'm just teasing with you all. I'm glad that you stopped by to hang out with me to do this little review on Crumbl Cookie. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. Just tells me you want to see some more of this type of videos. Trying to think of things that would be fun to come up with that's a little bit different. And I appreciate you watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.